Hanoi at rush hour.
First rush hour in Hanoi.
We heard it was crazy. And that it is. Cars from every direction. Everywhere honking. Motorbikes galore. Look at this passing fleet of motorbikes. I'm on a medium. But it's okay. Look at all those bikers. Just waiting to take off.
1, 0, go! Go!
Go! Here they go. Here they come. It's the rush of the motorbike.
Oh jeez.
Oh man, it's like ants filing out.
How about the lady who's riding the bike?
There they go. It's like a motorbike race, but it's just everybody's on their way home. Big bus.